it is. I feel like it's a little quicker.
It's not that fast.
Yeah, it feels a little faster.
It's 3 minutes instead of 4.
Oh, that's right. You were listening.
Yeah,
It was.
I take 4 something to go up.
You got the momentum. Is my flash on? No. It's that light. It's weird. I'm really shocked. I'm not like, you know. Yeah, we saw Julie Kay at dinner. She was actually in the same place, so we sat with her.
Oh, yeah?
And I told her we were doing this. She's like, gosh, I wish I had the time. Because her daughter is competing this
Oh,
weekend.
yeah.
So last time we got to go out to dinner and stuff because her daughter was studio. Their studio wasn't here. So I was like, well, we're going to have dinner anyways, I guess.
Now, what state are they out of?
She actually moved. She owned a studio in California. She used to have 1,700 students.
Wow.
Big, huge studio in California. And when COVID hit, she's like, I'm done. Like, it was just
Oh, she just doesn't even do a studio now?
She doesn't. She just does this, and she has a online teaching website to give, teachers. You pay like $47 a month. She actually makes more money doing what she's doing now because her overhead in California, like her rent was like $15,000 a month.
Huh. That's crazy.
She actually makes more money not having it. So she now is in Arkansas.
Arkansas.
Yeah, and her family's from Arkansas, so it's moving home for her. So it's been a big change, but she's loving it. And her kids are, she gets more time with her kids because she's gone every weekend.
Right.
She sees them during the week, whereas before she was at the studio all week and gone all weekend. So she never got to see the kids.
Yeah. Ooh, that felt weird.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we gotta go around the stairs now. Yeah.
It's like
So they must
clicking.
They must rotate us down that way.
We're like part of a bike now.
Yeah, it does kind of feel. Yeah.
Notching this is down.
Yeah. Well, Brooklyn wasn't thinking. We weren't even thinking because the security wise, she had pepper spray.
Yeah. She's like, they just don't like pepper spray.
I was like, that makes sense. We didn't even think of it. I should have just had her leave it in the car, but I didn't even think of it.
Well, I mean, you're supposed to have it on you.
Yeah, right. We were
It's not-
walking here,
yeah.
Yeah, I
It'd be
kinda-
different if you were parking right here,
right
but
on top.
I mean, that's when you're gonna need it is when you leave it in the car.
Right.
Did they let her keep it?
No.
They kept it?
Yeah, they said they had to get rid of it.
See, it would be nice places like this if they know that people are going to have things. They should have lockers
A
that you can
locker.
lock your stuff.
Or even if they locked it, I was like, they couldn't lock it and then give it back to you?
Then because then
Yeah. You're okay.
no, because then they would